Hello, land seekers. If you're looking for land, guess what? You're in the right place because tonight I've got a ton of properties, all with seller financing. What does that mean? Well, it means that you get to invest in the land that you see here tonight on this video without having to go qualify for a loan and all that other non-fun stuff. We're not going to do that because we're going to offer properties with, or look at properties with owner financing. I'm Scott from Landmodo.com, and this channel is dedicated to helping you to make your land ownership dreams a reality today, so you can start living them without having to delay any further. We want to help you by getting the properties that you want in your life. Now, before we get into these properties, let me just welcome you back, the Landmodoians. Am I saying that right? You guys made that up. Am I saying it right? Okay, I'll have to look. Welcome back. And if you're new here, well, again, welcome. All of the properties that you're going to see here are available on Landmodo.com. It's not only the name of this channel, but it's also a land listing platform that connects you directly to the sellers who are offering this owner financing. Owner financing is sometimes called seller financing, and what that means is that the seller will basically loan you the money to purchase the property without having to go to a bank or qualifying for a loan, a mortgage, or anything else. You get to work directly with them. It makes the process so much easier. And if you're new here, guess what? You're going to hear me talk about buckets throughout the night. What are the buckets? Well, scroll down to the description below, and I'll have all of the buckets broken out for you. It's typically 1 through 4, and the description is self-explaining. There you go. So with that, let's go take a look at the states that we're going to cover tonight. All right, where are we going next? We're leaving Arizona, and we're going to California, where the Super Bowl was. Can I say that without getting sued? I don't know. There's a lot of things you can't say anymore. All right, this one's in San Bernardino. Check this one out. This one's pretty cool. 2.5 acre vacant lot for sale. Okay, well, and it has a shipping storage container. Okay, well, it's not vacant if it has a shipping storage container, but okay, I get the point. I think you get the point too. So you buy this property and you get that shipping container. Okay, cool. Asking price on it's less than $20,000 with $1,666.25 down and $1,666.25 a month for 11 months. Okay, all right. So we got a deal there with a shipping container. You want to learn more about that one? lmodo.ws/162988. 162988. Shipping container. That's a pretty cool deal. That's a pretty cool addition. And when you see it and you're like, bam, then you know it. When you see something that you know can work for you, then jump on it. All right, here we go. Moving over to Colorado. What's that, the mountain state? The Mile High state? I don't know. Here we go. Going over to Costilla, escape the city life and enjoying clean air in the mountains on a 5-acre property in Costilla. Okay, so you got a 5-acre property here. $8,000 is the asking price with $750 down and $149 a month for 60 months. Okay, you can learn more about this one at lmodo.ws/119234. 119234. All right, here we go. Moving over to another 5-acre property with a septic system. What? It's a number one, well, it's not the number one request, but it is a requested item, well/septic system. Someone put on Land Connection the other day, landmodo.com/land connection. Seriously, because I read these things, I'm looking to try to help you guys match up to what you're looking for. So if you have a request, go to Land Connection. How do you get to there? Landmodo.com. At the very top of the menu, it says Land Connection. Just go post what you're looking for. Okay, but check this one out. So this one has a septic system. Okay, that's pretty cool. 5 acres with a septic system. Down payment on it is $22.49 with $415 a month. That's like a car payment for 4 years. 4 years, you're done. You own the thing free and clear. How you learn more about it? lmodo.ws/163281. 163281. All right, here we go. More bang for your buck. It borders 231 acres of undeveloped county land. Well, we talked about BLM land, Bureau of Land Management tonight. We've talked about state land, Bureau of Land Management, federal government, state land, and now you got county land here. So we got three properties here tonight that all border some kind of undeveloped state or county owned land, government owned land. All right, so this is a 5-acre property. Asking price on it is $79.49 with $449 down and $125 a month for 60 months. So you can learn more about this one at lmodo.ws/163-158. Out of the ordinary and off the grid. All right, 5 acres. It's got snow on the ground. Some of you like snow. I live in Florida. I don't like snow. Okay, it's $79.99 with $499 down and $149 a month for 58 months. You can learn more about this one at lmodo.ws/163-547. Here's a 5-acre property, 3 miles from the Rio Grande River and BLM land, Bureau of Land Management, 5 acres, $62.95 with $295 down and $149 a month for 60 months. So if I were to go to look at this land, what I'd be interested in is really how far it is to the BLM land. Is the BLM land adjacent to this? It might be. And the thing about that is when you have BLM land or state land or county land right around it, well, then you're not going to get that same development that you would. So it's like, seriously, if it's BLM land, it's even better because you own like this property and then you have the government land around you. And that government land is your land. You have the right to use it. You can go out there and camp, ride ATVs, do whatever you want to do out there. It's your land. It's my land. This land's made for you and I. That's the way it is. All right, here we go. So if you will learn more about this one is lmodo.ws/163-605. Moving on to this 6-acre property. We don't see a lot of 6-acre properties in Costilla, but this one's a 6-acre property. 6.4 to be exact, with $89.99 down. I'm sorry, $89.99 cash with $150 down and $150 a month for 60 months. You can learn more about this one at lmodo.ws/122-551. All right, check out this one. Look at the trees on this one. Ooh, this one's getting up in the mountains. So here we have a 5-acre, 5.27 to be exact. $12,950 is the asking price with $250 down and $250 a month for 67 months. So you can learn more about this one at lmodo.ws/773-42. 773-42. Fremont, Colorado. All right, Fremont. This is a nice 10-acre property. Wow, look at that thing. 10 acres. Asking price on it is $55,000 with $5,000 down and $407 a month for 360 months. How does that work out on the math? Let's go look at some math here real fast. Because look, the thing is like you are paying for time value of money, right? So 360 months. Wow. I don't know. I'd have to go look at this one again because again, just because it's on there doesn't mean that that's necessarily the term that you have to go to, right? Like I think they're trying to show you your potential here. And what I'm doing is I'm just pulling this one up on the website to see, because I want to see what this one looks like, right? So I'm just having a little bit of problems typing in here, but here we go. I got it, and I'll share my screen with you as soon as I can get there. What's happening here? Here we go. All right. So let me pull this thing up. Let's go take a look at that. So here we go. Here's the 10-acre property on the website. Okay, so we have a 10-acre property, and again, this is something that just because the terms are here doesn't mean that that these are the exact numbers that you have to go with. Let's make this screen big. Let's go take a look at these things. All right, so you got some nice pictures in there. Looks like maybe these are some nice drone images. So you've got a remote rural land in there, right? It's remote, it's kind of off the grid there. So you've got that going for you. And, they don't really provide a lot more of the information. They do have some stuff here. So if you want to learn more about it, and this one, we'll click contact the seller right here. This is my preferred way to do it. If you contact the seller on any of these, if you contact the seller, make sure you click right here, because when you do, they get a notification that you came from Landmodo. Or if you do go to their phone number and call them, make sure you tell them that you came from Landmodo, because that's the only way that they're going to know. And that's what we want. Is we want them to know that you saw this on Landmodo, and see if this is a good fit for you. So you can learn more about it again at lmodo.ws/162-981. 162-981.